you're a woman and you are in a relationship, listen to me. I am talking to the women. A man wa mumpeja monsana mehe. Me pacha, if you're a woman and you're watching me right now, mami hunsa, mami too wati, na men kase minchero. Me pesa me mau code bi. Maybe. Oh. Yes, they are here. They are here. Let me see you. Let me see you by thank you. Now we are going straight to Noko Wisdom. The women here watching me right now, I want to talk to you. There are certain things we don't know. Say Oba, nyamye shrawo yi, but winim. Oba, nyamye bo yi, abodie nyina, woni abodie nyina ka akiri. Tie me. Let me your ears and listen to the wisdom that is coming out from me. What relationship I would do Bema no. Send your Bema no door no sister. Woo indirectly you don't have any relationship. What baby what relationship mo ene. Na what do ni kunu esen said ye ni kunu do you are doomed. Obeka see Empress. They be your TV ban Empress. Listen. Bible say, man, love your wife. Man should love. Man, love your wife. Bible did not state, woman, love your husband. No. Or say, man, love your wife. And wife, submit to your husband. It's a two things. Different thing altogether. Submission. Oh, brown mercy. Any order have a different definition altogether. Listen. So if you are in a relationship right now, I will share me. Now what they will say, comfort. Now they will say, would do boy no me do kweku sister. Listen to me. I beg you. I defy to say this. You are a fool. If you love a man than the way the man loves you, you beg jawu jabi. I just walk on DDT. You be jawu jaibia, and when I see a jawa, not depression are setting in, because Bible did not say, Bible did not quote say, woman should love. Share me Empress, mini do, mini be, me. Oh, order. What are you doing? What I need to do as a woman to make sure say I have a happy home. Respect my husband. Honor him. Make sure he has a healthy food on time. Make sure we have a good communication. Make sure we have a good relationship both with God and myself. Make sure my I want to ask you. So why would you, a woman, love a man? Say Bema is hey, sister, got down. Sorry, I'm not being found to do for more. Hey, and my relationship status beyond for two for more. I've been in a relationship. I've been with Kojo for 4 years. For hey, and your school now call it Jano. Who told you to love him? What have you gained by you loving him? Is it sex? Is it the smooches? Is it the romance? Is it the gifts? Yamo be gift oh, yamo be dying, yamo be fear. Oh yes, oh. Many will say yato bukati yamo be, but only happiness. Nikuna mefia na bibi yeno. Nikunu nya kola na bibi yeno. Listen, there are measures in marriage that they don't tell us. There are measures in marriage. When you go according to the measures, sister, you are happiest woman ever. Sometimes people will ask you, so how do you do it? It's because you understand what you are in. You understand what you are going in for. You understand the calling and the system of marriage. Listen. So but now I don't want to say. And I come here where I ube one pami yes you. Oh yes. Kwame die we jamia me ube chago man ho. Wo beti awarim abuse here. Ya abuse na ye bisa me say denti na unfree man. I still love him. It's not love, it's foolishness. It's not love. You need to check your IQ. It's not love. Bema buukun we pra wama wakam. You have a scar. And that scar, when you always see it and reflect you, it takes you back when they took you to theater. Abraye pretty on the scar. It gives you reflection of beating, pain, sorrows, unhappiness. And you still with the person and say you love him. It is not love. It is foolishness. You don't love him. You yourself, you don't love yourself. You see, as a woman, you need to love yourself before you love somebody. Now, what don't we know what could do? What don't we and son of Ukodobi? Have you even satisfied yourself? Have you finished making yourself happy? See, can a woman define when you love your husband? What are the things that goes in? What are the things that shows you love somebody? Love doesn't come with pain. Love doesn't come with endurance. No, you don't endure pain because of love. No, you don't. And these are the things that the youth need to listen. The youth need to know before they enter into any relationship. Somebody is in a relationship. One city could have Bema and vida. One wo ye. And when ya wo Bema me share. Now when you cry, one found yes, you won't qualify. You don't qualify. Love yourself first. Make sure you are happy. You don't need to be in a relationship making somebody happy whilst you are not happy. Woman, listen to me. I am talking to the woman in you. There is something in you that God saw. That is why God said, submit. There is something that God created, and God or created deposited in us. As every woman, we carry that thing. So naturally, if you're a woman and you don't love yourself, you can never love anybody. Ask yourself. Sometimes you can pretend and sleep with a man, and the man that you are sleeping with, I love you. Within you, you know you don't love him. You the woman, you know it is because of circumstances. And you need the money for something. You need the man to so obey with situation obey clear, but you know you don't love him. Any woman cannot tell me, say, I love you. You did lie. You are lying. It's not with us. God gave that thing to men. Why would a woman, beautiful woman, a career woman like you sit down and a man will give you broken heart? Why would you sit down for a man to just disturb your whole life, for a man to give you depression? Who told you to love? Who told you to love? What is love? Can a woman define me love? How you love a man? How? That is why most of the relationships, most of the marriages are going off. Boyfriends with Jan was about to commit suicide because boy was so done. How did you grow up? How did you even create that kind of love? Where did you got that idea of creating it? Woman, you are so precious. Woman, you are so beautiful. Woman, you carry something. Woman, you are the world. Woman, you are the nation. Woman, you are global. My dear, wake up. And now being now when you just and now being say what the puppy will be at now what the woman in your cancer. Will be at now what the man you could not offer HIV. I love him. This is not love, it's madness. Will be at now what you out of abuse into Yabunu. Hey, Yabuna men when you stroke and Saba Juma or say I still love him and any better. It's not love, my dear. This is not love, it's madness. Check yourself. We are no wisdom. I am talking to your mind. And if you will listen, we'll fire because obeti our man, sweetheart, our dear no Timon. Ye free baby. Home cry, asa gentility. And grow for and baby our relationship. Home class gentility. Eh? Bibi note, Empress. I please myself. It's not the amukana mementi. Because you are not me. I won't allow you to ruin my happiness. Do you get what I'm saying? I've understand who a woman is. My dear, go and define who a woman is, and you will know the kind of person you are. You will not allow anybody to bring you down. Bring your confidence. Hey, anything that can boost your confidence, go and do it. Do it and make yourself happy. Anything that will not make you happy, a breaking with self-confidence down. A dear be a break with susu. A dear be a say when you run from it, will kill you. Anything that will suppress you, run from it. Will be aware, Bema, when it's your want to me, you are young, say you look beautiful. Now, me that hospital work and me to me frame me cool video, come see baby. Me why a fana. I say, oh, Kalan, and I'm some Kalanaba. Share. What up, man? Can and you may ginger me, Sana Yamia bomba. And your emotions in the dear Juma will do with emotions. Women will do with emotions, and men see with their eyes. So what they see is what they communicate with. So if you don't communicate, it's so hard for a woman. It's a deka kribina kaoba. Hey, Bema no oba be to me a jai, but to me kaoba nija Bema no. I'm catching up. Joyce, me say to me camp oba no. Do you know why? Because your emotions in na ya journey. Na dia na nipa beka, na nipa bedwe ye ho, na society. Ye on beka sana ma wale ba ku na mejai, na masanko wale ba ku na mejai, na dia na me kwaka na mebusuafo. Do they matter? When you die today, they will bury you. Nobody will ask you any question. When you die out of depression, when you die unhappy, when you die out of pain in your marriage, my dear, my sister, they will cry 1 week, they will cry 40 days. I swear, 1 year, forget it. Yes, you. Do you know why? You don't exist anymore. A transition. So now what you say now about what you do more through sunning. Now we need papa boneno. Run away from anything that will cause you unhappiness. Adie biara wo ba wo hweme e be chichire wo na be bande wo e ma wo want me nye dia wo pe. Who told you so what there? You can't do what you like. Who told you? You communicate. Every woman, when you marry, you can do anything that you want to do, but communicate with your husband. Communicate. I want to go to swimming pool. And then me person because baby me person because swimming pool. He knows it's a swimming pool. Yeah, he said he slate ne kabanko swimming pool. Communicate with him so that when the third person goes, your husband knows. Say swimming pool hono. Oh, bikini kakra. Bikini kakra ni edeko. And when you tell your husband, I am going to church, he knows the kind of dressing you will take to church. I am talking to a woman that is dying within. A woman that has lost hope. A woman that thinks society can determine her future. A woman, baby, went through at a point in which free said, baby, it's a start of something that God is about to do. If the man is living, let him live. He doesn't deserve you. He does not deserve you. He does not deserve a peaceful woman like you. He does not deserve a beautiful woman like you. Let him go. Hey, manem kwati. Na your starting point I am talking to that woman Anembra so ananka waso ware. Bema woni bema ka bom ato niamesi wo. That woman and the time aso a wo be ware ebusuafo nyina nim se wo be ware na bema na frɛ na ka kyene se me ware no. So everything has shattered. The woman thinks that he has come to a point of life. There's no return. Nothing good can come out of the situation. I'm here to tell you that God can stir something beautiful for you. I'm talking to that woman. That woman that thinks, baby, I went through what Brabum doctors who want to me. Why IPF, Nikunu say me my last chance. A man can give you last. Hey. One more last chance. But Nyamia fans are one more fear no more. Oh, Betty, I want way. And money, how what it? The only bebo no baba. That rightful person that will love you and love your child and love your weakness and love who you are, that person will come. Sometimes when I hear the audios and the videos, and when I hear, if you want to know the Kofi or bread, when they are in pain they can't speak, is celebrities. I think I am the only person I am bold to speak out. If you want people who are dying within and pretending to be okay outside, they are celebrities. Most of them say nyame ma wo mo chance and can change over so wo be ye no. I'm telling you, you watching me. Say nyame ma nkrofo bi kwan say mesra mo say de ade na ye no disturbance na mpai na mo bo no do so me ni wo ka say ese me gina Israel me check because ye bopmo frɛ me na say nyame so wo ma change over 1 minute wo Ghana ha. People will be amazed. People that will leave their marriage, people that will run out of their marriage, people that will call off, people that will say, I don't want it anymore. In fact, I don't want me person you. People that will cause for it. A man in here will say what pem wa brabom because the man is one pill. My friend, sorry. I'm not being titinu who what we are body in our cage. I'm not being titinu. I don't know I'm not being titinu who sister, mama beat it in because you carry something. Messi abodi amunyina niama nyame boy nyina yen ye kechiri. Yen ye kechiri. Kechire bia so nyame ani kono ho. Nti nyame wodo yen. Ye man nyame doy. Nti no ma be ma danda ho. Or see deep sleep. How God created us, man doesn't know. Inti Bema bien to menti as ye da. That is how God created us. Inti no se Bema no. Because when you love us, then you will know what we have in us. When a man show a woman love, this is where you will know the kind of woman you have even married. If you'll be your brand once, you will know. Or you'll be on brand once, you will know. If a man starts to show affection, love for a woman, no friend, no man attention. Baby, you okay? Baby, where did you go? No go fine, no go beautiful. And when I saw $1 million for all cry, what to me Kofi no dia bra. And yes, what do wo? And your affection and love now with the man. What you give a woman is what she will give back. If you give her pain, she will give you double pain. Woman, get up. Sorry, I want fedo. Yeah, waba ho fe. Na nyame achewa ni munyam. Waba ho fe. Na nyame ama wo glory. What's what my relationship editate? Society editate ama. Society na echira wo dia ye wa abrabom. Abra society no what one woni di obedie. Society no what one so me ni baby omugukura. Me page so ana me. So who betcha why do you know what you me page me delete on my block me na my restrict so. O comment o ye bu mu DJ en ko bia unkwa na hu comment o. Debi me hweso na se woni ama wo ye no me hu se wani da ho a embra wo kuro yi mu na me de wo kombram. What did they make an answer? Me hwe na me hu se wani da ho a me ma hu se embra ne ye adwuma wo kuro mu na ma pa adwuma ni bi na me de adiw. Adwuma na adiw. No hu se structure structure wo kronim. And I'm catching them. If you're a woman and you don't know what to do in life, I am talking to you right now. Hear me. Onyame wanyama bebre to me through women. But because we don't know what to do, how to handle ourselves. Because we don't know what to do. I am here to encourage you. Wake up. Sorry na wadache. Sorry na wadache. You can do better things than you putting all your trust and your love for a man. No. The madam for your say, Empress. Since I'm sure video be our casa about order. The very first day I watched your video, you talked about love. That men should love, women shouldn't love. Also since that day. Also on Dankasa Tenason started so changing this. Said the system now adopting. Also na nikunu ko adwuma. Ye bebo sesena or person o ko gina gate or hwese nikunu beba. Ye bo 7:30 no free nikunu. Na me se we njaya. Bema ne bema BP. Ante Gifty me nya BP ni dada na me se me do nyame. Wo beto no verse na cha ansa ne besesa we duro no se duro no so ne bo ayede. Enti se wantie menu asem na wo gusu ko gina gate na no obewu. O se da wo hwe me video no. Ewo YouTube. The Empress show. Just what one? Ya about 7:30. 8:30 or so I'm free nikunu. Also to wash na nikunu gate na beep also nikunu so more sa be ni bi da. No, say Auntie Empress. Na me so me first security man say won bi enu say ka first me na me ko bie. And also security man also nikunu see na nikunu bi sa security. Where is mommy? Where is mommy? I say Auntie Gifty. I heard me say, "Hey, time I am home." I say nikunu bi sa say or we him fa. No so oh yes smart no ko shade dem no ko dware. Ti niku ba no shade dware. I say nikunu be dware straight says but today you didn't call me. You didn't call me. No I say but I know you will come home. I say I will come home saying it's almost 8:30. It's almost 8. And I started friend say and I need that. People are going through, they just need small message to change their mind. Adebi wenye busunya wenye pastor wenye mpayo eye practical. Theory na doso for practical ni shem. She almost she adwuma wa wo so she adwuma na ma no. Me adwuma ni eye bisa global adwuma ni diwa. Me adwuma di. Wo she adwuma ne ba. Adwuma ni be di. Because IQ ni ye adwuma. Wo she ba no. Na me type me book code no. Pak bo se na code no. I say formatting. We move. And then me no kasa lady ne say. Yeah, baba 6:30 na nikunu aba. Baby, I'm home. I say, oh, you welcome. What will you eat? I say niku to me can say ne dey mo nu aduane. Omko didi o. I say Auntie Gifty. These are the things I want from my husband. But na me nya minim se me dey na gede me say, "Hey! I don't know. Who so much? Who the love ne here there?" I say Auntie Gifty dey me here na me say yes. I was so no yes ha. I was so no be man no ye osa odo osa nya wo na wo so odo no e na ade na dane otimi to Auntie Gifty ene me ko sinti ai ye mpie na me se pie wate we de obeko bie di na yale we abere fie beda woman listen if you're a woman enti ye ware nyansafo ba no we don't just marry a woman, we marry a woman who carry wisdom. So when you nyansa wo betumi akora wo fie asa ekora wo betumi ahihye ne yie ma na yie se wo fie asa ya wo betumi ahihye ma na yie. Do you know why? Because you carry wisdom. Apply wisdom. Don't let any man bully you. Don't let any man born of a woman sit on your happiness. Your happiness matter, papa. Sometimes why you moody ama wo mat me bisa say mommy are you okay I continue am person me call vacation am person me call ejuma ministry foundation enkwafo bi am person me call donation mom I trying calculate you enti me makura hu say me da hospital me back to one princess also mommy this one I can see this one is not money matter you are sick and kasa and I say princess I'm sick oh I say yes you are very sick this one there is a sickness this one dear mommy it's not money matter but I know if you get money you wake up me baga ne ka je me say onim say me yare pa na mom wo chidi wona ko mu say me nyeska pe me sorry Saturday me dawa madam fu bi send message also oti me ka che me me hu fa me o me da hospital I say oh sir me so oh enti ye me na me so me ne doctor na ka so on be me ndem na me okay me se me ti momo alert pekpen awa na me frame me ko so baby ye yi me o me nya momo alert pe na me frame be say oh chai I'm coming home me ba say have you received any alert me ba princess akure we say alert e dey ginger me alert bank alert momo alert zero part alert no enu ne e ginger me mo dey want now show your face in front of me again me do fie me back etwa obeka oh money matter my mother dey money matter oh rade obi tie chi obeka say ena hwia you swadwin no ko money matter sem na ye ka wa ha na wo didi agro
Hello, mommy.
Mama?
Yes, mommy.
You said that when I was at the hospital.
Yes.
You said that I was sick, eh?
Yes.
And you said that when I get what, I wake up.
Money.
When I get what?
Money.
I'll call you back. Me man create him so hospital order me dana man my latin me see me nya alert from me kunu nya alert from madam for na am solid bagam system ni nya is working now my system is working yeah na me kunu doctor se kasa wa brochire and na doctor na me kunu down for a doctor no ma prescribe e duro no am de ba me nya momo alert ma solid o de mo tuna Aye, na ma wari mbe wuru abrabo. Say I love. Obe ma na otu ono no bedo no otu was I love. No. Me see to dey be kra. E man mu amoma me mamu code no. E man mu ha. We are stress out. Oh, e man wa ha. Me mamu code bi ada. Omo samu ha. Aje share and please we are listening Esther asmu ya there code we dey agise me dem call WhatsApp na mama musa code hen sa mukun be chan cause this code I have to give it to all the women then you use it. What you say? I bet now na Bema be chinchi or baby otumi koda hospital. Or no san di in CKE, no free hospital. Hey women, we are something else. Also brutal they code beautifully. Oh don't worry. Code the someone himself me na mikita code. Code for ni na me na mikita you know. Me say me the code depend me man be hu. E dey say an no na say me the year broadcast na me the man nko ewo group no na say mweti won na me the akam na ma moyi bie fi na me de bia kan nya sade a mama mu kunu mo nom ba bie ni wa okoko mefo akoma obi say airdrop It's part of it. That is you oko baby we do ne chikakra, wash an entire shame, ne laundry. You see, those things you make sure say you do it as a woman. No for don Mcbrown. Baby, are you okay? Where did he? Ah, who ain't? Ah, okay, and me Kofi o me train. And come on, what's a banana? Who ain't? Where are they? Ya boss say. Mo do no mo na mo ye popcorn. Mo na mo ye popcorn we to mo. But this all take you more here. Eh, ube. When Jan everywhere, ube. Ube. Ha! Asemo. Sha. The code is coding. I'm coding it. I like this code. And I'm telling me try me yen in a way I'm man better as here. Ladies more. God bless you too. Me say swam we ni anda ho. Ube. Enja every wood dear. Sister ube. Catch them when now about home face because then me could see of a natural. Oh boy, me the codiva ube sana koye with you sister ube. Where is Agaga is home. Oh boy! Poor boy, poor boy, natural sister, natural ne you. But we are no we my din natural. You good. Some for chemicals be anye with me say me tie dint me say natural farmer me. Obi okita very soft e be farmer. But sister, natural no cry. Is he upgrading no?